Appreciation is an essential tool for managing and motivating your employees. Valuing their effort increases productivity by reducing worry and uncertainty. Yet many managers find it hard to give positive feedback. To help, we are going to look at one aspect of personality that guides when people want to hear it. But firstly, what is appreciation? It is acknowledging the good work someone is doing or has done. Appreciation is expressing specific positive feedback about someone's effort, not necessarily about how well it went, but acknowledging the effort they put in. And why does it matter? Well, no one goes to work just to get paid. They also want to make sure they are spending their time, energy, and effort on something meaningful. Time is our most valuable resource, and people don't like to feel like they're wasting it. From a manager's perspective, appreciation is the tool that helps keep people on track and focused, even when things get hard. Appreciation is a low-cost, easy way to let your team know that they are aligned with the relevant goal, that they are trusted members of the team, and that you have their back. Appreciation is a huge win-win. So why do some managers find giving appreciation really uncomfortable? Well, there are a few reasons. Some people lack the practice in giving or receiving it. Others worry that giving positive feedback will stop people taking on board less than positive feedback. And sometimes we just assume people know what we're thinking about them, but no one can read your mind. And appreciation is not just about one-off big end-of-year awards. It's about daily or weekly acknowledgements that are small, simple, and sincere. It's paying attention to what someone is doing and saying something. Whether that is in writing or verbally, in private, at a team event, just be clear and specific. So here are some examples for you. Thanks for getting this to me early. I appreciate having the extra time to prepare for the meeting. I appreciate you bringing this issue to my attention quickly. It gives us more time to deal with it before it becomes a massive problem. I love this slogan. It really captures the essence of the business and the customer requirements. Thanks for keeping this meeting on schedule. I know that this didn't go to plan, but you put in a lot of effort and learnt a lot, and that isn't time wasted. So think about the qualities or skills you want your team to develop, and then make sure you appreciate those using specific language. Now, when it comes to giving and receiving appreciation, you will have a strong opinion about when that is meant to happen, and that difference is huge. And because of this, it's really useful to know your own personality type as well as your team's. So as you may know, thinkers are focused on completing the task at hand. Feelers are focused on the relationship they have with you and ensuring it remains harmonious, which means most thinkers don't care about getting appreciation until the task or the project is complete, and then they want your honest feedback about it. Feelers want appreciation throughout the task or project. They want it early and often to ensure they remain aligned with you. So if you're a thinker with many feelers in your team, they likely need more appreciation than they are getting. And vice versa, if you're a feeler, you may be giving your thinkers appreciation before they are really ready to take it on board. Appreciation is an important tool in the manager's toolkit, but it can take some practice. So set yourself a target, identify what you want to appreciate, notice when someone does that, and just say something. It will get easier and feel more natural with practice. To learn more about profiling your team and using type in the workplace, go to truity.com/business.